So we got a new G-Shock, model number GD-B500. Let's check it out. So inside we got a watch in this like a linen cloth basically. Unfortunately we do not get a metal box like with other G-Shock watches. So you got your tag, some packaging here. Also you get a manual, this warranty cards and some other papers. This watch does have Bluetooth and also a bunch of cool functions on it. And here I have the fully black version and this is how it looks. I think it looks pretty darn cool actually. Got this G-Shock logo at the top here and protection here. We got 4 buttons. This is how it looks like on my wrist and I think it looks extremely stylish indeed. I do have fairly small wrists and it's pretty much perfect for me. Also the watch is very slim. Visibility outdoors is excellent actually. Also the strap feels actually pretty decent. We got this buckle here, which is full plastic, a keeper. Also it's fully waterproof, up to 20 bars. Also considering this is a G-Shock, it's actually very slim. It has to be one of the slimmest G-Shocks actually out there. This is visibility in direct sunlight. Probably not the best, but still probably okay. A very nice looking watch indeed. Also compared to other G-Shock watches, this actually is very comfortable. It's not bulky at all, and yeah, I think it's an excellent watch for this purpose. If you want a comfy watch that's not bulky and won't drag anywhere. The visibility indoors, however, isn't actually that good when you compare to positive display watch and also other G-Shock negative display watches that are actually the MIP displays. This is not MIP display. Okay, let's check out the features of this watch. So on the main timekeeping mode, basically you can see your day basically here, also your time in also seconds here, your date basically at the bottom here as well. At the right corner you got your step count goal basically for the day. As you walk more steps, it fills up basically. Also, if we click this adjust button while in this main watch face mode, you can see how many steps you can take in today. However, I couldn't find a way how you can actually check steps taken, for example, yesterday or days before that. On other Casio step counter watches, you can actually check the step counts for previous days as well, basically. As you can see, I'm cycling, basically. It can show you basically step counts for up to a week behind, basically. Okay, the next function is a stopwatch, basically, and this is what the stopwatch looks like. Let's start it, and if we press this, I think it pauses it, and we can also resume it. And reset this up, and that's pretty good. So let's see other function, and this is stopwatch recordings basically. So then also you got your timer here, and we can adjust the timer to maximum 60 minutes basically. Okay, let's start the timer, and this is what it looks like. Let's see what the timer sounds like. Yeah, pretty good timer actually. Next function is a dual time basically, so you can see time in your other time zone basically. Then also we got alarms here as well. You can set up maximum 5 alarms on this watch, as you can see here. Also you get your hourly chime signal on this watch as well. And that's pretty much all. So also you got your backlight here as well. So this is what the backlight looks like. You probably can't see it that well. And it stays on for maximum 3 seconds. Also, if you have paired it with your smartphone and you press this button here, basically, it will automatically try to sync the time. Also, I just noticed that you can actually find your phone with your watch if you again hold this lower button for a bit longer. And it will try to find your phone basically. And as you see, your phone starts to ring. Pretty cool. Next, let's check out the app of this phone, and this does not have that G-Shock Move app that the higher end GD-B500 actually has. And yeah, this is like a super poverty app actually, but let's see what we can actually see there. In this app we can manage basically all the settings of this watch. Also we can set up alarms very easily. on the watch itself here as well, without really even needing to do that on the watch, as that's probably much faster through the app. Also, you can set timers here as well. You can use your stopwatch here as well. Also, you can see your records here as well, your wall time. So I guess you can choose which city you want to display for the dual time. Also synchronize your time, find your phone, and also adjust some watch settings such as key sounds. Again, you can do all these things on the watch itself as well. So, but it's probably much faster through this app. By the way, if I'm actually wrong and you can see the past step count data somewhere, let me know in the comments, at least I couldn't find it. Overall, I really like the design of this watch, and it's very comfortable to wear, and also it's very slim actually. And if they could have included the better memory in pixel display that they have on other G-Shock watches, and if they could have given us a way to actually see the past day step count data, then I think this watch easily could be 10 out of 10. By the way, if you are looking to purchase this watch, I have included in the description link to probably the cheapest place where you can actually get it. And if you want to see more videos about the G-Shock watches, then make sure to subscribe, as I have plenty more coming.